Hello, and thank you for coming to the Children's Museum of Houston today. Hopefully, you're here to participate in some fun STEM-related activities like the coding hangout, or building robots and pitting them against other robots in the BattleBots arena. If you enjoy robotics as much as I do, there are a few different programs you can participate in throughout the rest of the year. First Robotics is a program for students all around the world to begin learning the design process needed for an engineering skill set. For grades K through 4th, there is Junior First LEGO League. In Junior FLL, students are given a theme for the year. They then have to research some problem related to the theme and make a solution out of LEGO and display that project to judges, similar to a science fair. For example, if the theme was bad weather, a student could pick the problem of flooding in low areas, and their solution, made out of Legos, could be a house brought up on hydraulic stilts. For grades 4 through 8, students can participate in First LEGO League. In FLL, teams of up to 15 students must make a solution to a themed problem for the year, but it does not have to be made out of Legos. Finally, the team must also program a LEGO robot built using either NXT or EV3 programmable bricks to complete tasks on a small tabletop playing field. For grades 7 through 12, students can participate in First Tech Trail. In FTC, teams of up to 15 students build a slightly bigger robot to complete themed tasks on a 12-foot by 12-foot playing field. These teams are limited to a control system provided by First, but the mechanical parts can be made from almost anything the team wants. Many teams choose to build the robot out of metal parts provided in a kit you can buy from Pitsco. However, other teams choose to make their own custom parts from either routing, laser cutting, or 3D printing. So you might be wondering, how do I participate in one of these fun programs? First, check with your school. Most likely, there's a robotics group that meets in your computer lab, or your school may even have a robotics lab and you just don't know about it. If you are homeschooled or in private school, check with your local Boy Scout or Girl Scouts groups. Since there is a robotics badge in both Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts, we might be able to get you hooked up with a small group of some other kids to build some robots. For more information on starting your own team, or just generally more information, go ahead and visit firstinspires.org. They got a lot of nice stuff there. They have videos, they got pictures, they got lectures, they have manuals, they even have past information from previous year's games that you can look at. So thank you all for visiting the Children's Museum of Houston and participating in some of these fun robotics or coding related activities. Have a great time here, and a safe drive home.